If you're still posting static images, stop, because what I'm about to show you turns any image into a video clip using Canva. And the craziest part? Most people don't realize this feature exists. I use this for B-roll footage, carousel posts, reels, and so much more. Let me show you exactly how to do it. I'm in Canva, and the first thing I'll do is choose video. I could use social media or any of these other things if I wanted. Now I'll show you how to do this, so I'll click on that. I could choose any of these, but I'll use landscape. What I want to do next is add some images in here, so I'll come over here to my uploads and add a few of the images that I've made in here. Alright, so I've got these 3 different images and I'm going to animate them, okay? So first I'm going to work on this one. So I'll duplicate it first and I'll do the same with each of these others. Alright, so now I've got 2 of everything. So first, you want to make sure that you click on it so that it's highlighted, then come over here to Tools. I'm going to use Image to Video, which is a free tool right now, so I will click on it, and I can use the Smart choice, which means the AI will make it for me automatically, or I can click here and put in a prompt to tell the AI exactly what I want it to do. I'll stick with Smart for right now and see what happens. So it's going to create me a 5-second video. Click right here, and now it's actually generating it. So the generation is complete. I could generate it again if I needed to, but I'm going to choose Done for now. Let's watch it. Here's the original, just a static image, and here is the video. That is amazing. Very nice. Alright, so let's go to this second one. Come over here, we'll do the same thing. Make sure that you click on it first. That way you'll see the edit up here. If you don't have it clicked on, you won't see this menu. Then click Edit. Then come over here in the Tool section and choose Image to Video. This time we can tell it something, so I added a prompt. The boy and the dog look at each other happily, and the dog wags its tail in a friendly way. I also added Static Camera Command because I wanted to make sure that the camera just stays as is. Let's see if the AI pays attention to those commands. Now it's generating it, and let's see what we get next. Remember, this is the static one. This is the one we turned into a video. So that's pretty good. It didn't pay attention to the static camera command though. That's okay, I can use that. So on this last one, we'll do the same thing. So click on it first, then click on Edit. Next, go to the Tools and choose Image to Video. This time, I'll give it a more basic command. We'll see what happens. Then click on Generate Video. Now it's done. Let's see what it made. You can always rerun it if you wanted to. So let's watch these that we just made. First will be the video, and the second one will be the image. Let's watch. Alright, so Canva's AI tool actually created a video from 3 static images in just a few seconds. Today we're talking about one of Canva's most incredible tools that they've recently added, called Image to Video, which will take a static picture and turn it into a moving video. Come in here and try it for yourself and have fun creating.
If you found this useful, hit that like button. It helps a ton. And if you want to get better at making AI videos that actually stand out, I've got another video right here you'll want to watch next.